Okay, my third graders, today we're going to be talking about multiplying using a number line. Whoop, whoop. So, my question to you is going to be how could you use a number line to solve the equation? And is there a faster way to add the numbers? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Oofda. Um, well, let's think about a number line, okay? So if I were to start and use a number line, I know that here is 0 because we always start at 0 on a number line. And then I could do, well, here's plus 2. Okay, so here's the number 2. So here's one group of 2. I can do two groups of 2. So here's one group of 2, two groups of 2. Okay, so I've done one hop, two hops. Can I do another hop? So 1, 2. Oh, I'm at the number 6. Okay, here's the number 6. I'm going to hop to that one on the number line. Excellent. Okay, all right. Oh, yeah, I can do this one as well. Whoop, whoop. So I know that I have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Excellent. So I know by using a number line, I got 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to get the number 8. 8 is great. So today, I can solve multiplication equations using a number line. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look at this one. So this says to skip count, that means that we're going to be counting forwards or backwards in multiples of a given number. So we have the first number in the equation is how many hops. So we're going to draw 8 hops on the number line. So this is saying exactly what I was demonstrating, which here's a number line. They don't have the tiny little tick marks in between to show like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They just start at the number 6. So they're saying, hey, you're going to start at 0. You're going to add 6. You're going to get 6. What's 6 more? 12. What about if we add 6 more? 18. So I know 8 groups of the number 6 or 8 hops of the number 6 means that I'm going to get all the way out to 48. So this is a number line. Okay, this is showing skip counting 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 going all the way out. So let's go ahead and kind of try this one to solve. So I know that I have a couple of different hops on a number line. We're going to kind of focus on a couple right here. We're going to first start at my number 2. So let's look at the number 2 down here, okay? So if you're starting at 0, because we always start at that number 0, okay? And then I add 2 more to it, so I'm going to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I have 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops, 5 hops, 6 hops, 7 hops. So 2 more, 13, 14. So I know 7 hops of the number 2 is equal to the number 14. Let's take a look at the number 5. Let's try 5, okay? All right, here we go. I know that I'm going to start at the number 0 plus 5. So I'm going to start at 5. And I know that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my next one is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 is our next one. Then if I add 5 more, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now I'm going to get 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'm going to get 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. and then 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so this one is 35. Okay, so let's take a look at how many hops I had. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hops. So this is saying that I have 7 groups of the number 5 to get to 35. Okay, I'm going to skip this one for right now. Okay, let's take a look at another. Okay, I want you to kind of try this right now. Okay, I don't want you to worry about 5 times 9. Okay, we're going to skip 5 times 9. And we're going to skip 8 times 7. I want you to try this one with 4 groups of 3. All right, gang. So 4 groups of the number 3. So again, we're going to start that number line. Our number line is going to start at 0. We can do this one on our whiteboard or a piece of paper. Okay, so here's my 0. And then 4 groups of the number 3. So I know I'm going to count by 3s. So 1, 2, 3. So here's my number 3 on a number line because here's 1. So here's 3. Okay, there's 1. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 lines. So this is the number 6. So here's another group. So there's my second hop. Let's try another one. 7, 8, 9. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's 3. Okay, so I was at the number 9. So that's another hop. Okay, what about, oh, I still need one more hop because this is saying I have 4 hops. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need one more. So 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 4 groups of the number 3 is 12. Excellent. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this one right here. Okay, I want you to try this. You're going to do the repeat. You're going to try this one as the number line for 4 times 2, 3 times 5, and 5 times 8. I'm going to show this as 5 times 8. So how would we do this as repeated addition? This is saying 5 groups of the number 8. So that's like saying 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals a number. Okay? So if I'm on a number line and I'm starting at 0 and I'm my first hop and it's at the number 8, okay, so here's my first one. What is 8 more from the number 8? I can count on from the number 8. So 8, then I get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 16. There's my next hop of 8, so that's going to be 16. Well, what if I were to add 8 more? So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So my next hop is going to go to the number 24. What about my next one? Okay, so 24, then I'm going to get 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 is my next hop. Then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so 40 is my next hop. Awesome. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of the number 8 gives me 40. Okay? I want you to try this on your whiteboard or your dry erase board with your Expo marker or in your math journal, and let's see how you do. So I want you to pause the recording. You're going to try 4 times 2 and 3 times 5. Then we're going to check ourselves, and you're going to come back and you're going to hit play. Okay? Here we go. All right, team, welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at how you did. So this is saying 3 groups of the number 5. So we're going to have 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that's going to be starting at 0. Okay, so one group of 5. Another group of 5 makes 10. Another group of 5 makes 15. So I know 3 times 5 is 15. What about 4 groups of the number 2? Same thing, I'm going to start here at 0. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8. So I know 2, 4, 6, 8. This is like saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and check out ladybug spots. So check out my ladybug spots. This will be our final one before we go and do our assignment and talk about your assignment today. So how many spots in total do the ladybugs have? So let's kind of take a look at this one. So 5. So how many groups do I have? So that's my number of ladybugs. So go ahead and pause the recording. You got this. Okay, team, here we go. So this is saying, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladybugs. The number of spots on each ladybug, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I were to count all of them up, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's saying 25. So this is saying, again, over here on a number line, I'm going to start at 0. Here's a group of 5. My next one's going to be a group of 10 on a number line. Then I'm going to get 15. Then I'm going to get 20. Then I'm going to get 25. Woohoo! So when we go ahead and head on into Buzz right now and look at 3rd grade math, what are we doing today? So I am in lesson 302. Okay, we just did 301. So we're looking at 302. Okay, this is a day where you have 2. Whoop! Okay, so when we go into 302, I know that we are looking at our lesson. Okay, we got our activity. And when we go into our activity right now, okay, you are going to be submit the 3-digit warm-up found in the lesson. So I've already put it here. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look at this one, gang. So you're going to do the 3-digit addition warm-up, okay? And team, I just want us to do the top 6, okay? We're just going to do the top 6. Capiche? Capoosh. And I'm going to close that. Then you're going to do the quiz on multiplying with a number line. Your quiz only has about 5 questions in it, so make sure you're taking your time. You're doing your personal best. You got this, 3rd grade. Can't wait to see you soon.